On today's episode, my HVAC display went dim. So we're gonna do a quick fix on it. Hopefully it works then, and I'll be able to tell what temperature I'm setting in the car. Alright, so if you own a C5 Corvette, you're going to get really used to soldering things. I've soldered more on my C5 Corvette than I ever have in my entire life. This is just another problem. I've soldered the EBCM and my key fob, and this will be number 3. So we're going to go ahead and open this. You're just going to need I believe this is a 3/16. I can't tell, it's been stamped about 100 times. That's what happens when you buy cheap tools, I guess. But I'm going to pop this open and then we'll take a look inside. Alright, so to get to where we need to be, we're going to need to remove this plate here. So we're just going to have 4 more bolts in there. Alright, so the parts we're looking at here are these 8 solder joints. This one I can tell is straight up just not on. These others we're going to go ahead and loosen them and then add a little bit of new solder. So let's go ahead and do that. It's amazing. It's not even this one right here. I can just lift it straight off. Oh man, I don't know who was doing solder work for Chevy and the General Motors in the 2000s, but damn, the shit is bad. Alright, so I consider that a success. I'm not very good at soldering, as you could tell, but for someone just starting out, it's really not that bad of a task. Just a couple things: don't burn the board. Be careful. I try not to tighten the bolts down too hard on the board either. The last thing you want is to break that board. Otherwise, you'll be just buying a new HVAC unit, HVAC control module, or whatever you want to call it. But all things considered, it's not a hard task. It's on a scale of 1 to 10, it's like a 3, maybe a 2. It's just a matter of getting it out. There's a lot of parts to take out. So thank you guys for taking a minute out of your day to watch this, and I will catch you on the next episode.